You have to ask Dave if you want some coffee, you?
No, all right, mate. Hi, Carl.
Bloody hell, you sneaked in.
How are you?
Yeah, not too bad.
None of these fit.
You don't mind being on the sidelines, do you?
No, mate.
Good, yeah.
Prefer being in the sidelines.
How's your work going?
Good.
Yeah. You got a good kill rate at the moment.
Yeah.
Bet that feels good.
That's really done,
Yeah, sorry. Right, Doug, what are you doing? Douglas. Is he doing something for you? No. Do you know what he's doing there?
It's anything in the back.
I don't know what I'm doing.
I think of some paddles rather than tuners.
Oh, here for this Hofner.
What I'm doing. I'll just throw that in there. Longer in that one.
Are you looking for?
And what I'm doing is looking for the ferrules for this.
What are they called, ferrules?
Lost them things.
Oh, right.
And I normally can find some, but of all the ones I've tried that I've got from old sets of machine heads, none of them fit. It's fatter. This is a fatter. No, they weren't. They've lost. I've done 2 inlays. I put inlays in the neck.
Oh, whereabouts?
Eh?
Let me have a look.
What are you doing for the living?
Is that one?
No, I've done them 2.
Okay. Yeah.
I did them yesterday, and I've done the frets, and I've glued the neck on. That was off.
Oh, this is the one that was hanging off. Yeah.
No, it wasn't hanging off. It was off. Came in a bag.
Well,
with,
you know what I mean.
2 separate bits.
Is that BBC 1, BBC 2, and ITV?
That's it.
I like this nut, Doug. Look at that. It's a doubler.
Yeah, it's just a lump of plastic, though, isn't
In the
it?
middle. Yeah.
Oh, crappy plastic. Shit.
This is odd, isn't it?
Same as
No, you
excuse
haven't
me.
got to sit down. You can save where you sit.
You see this fretboard here? You go into overdrive with OCD, like trying to figure out where your fingers. You seen that? You got like 4 frets for every fret. It's like was that A, F, E, G sharp, F sharp, M, P, R.
Plays in my concern.
Christ, yeah. Yeah, it's like the like an Indian sort of
You'll have me in it when you play 3 chords. You don't
note scale.
Anyway.
Good God, yeah, that's not a pretty sight.
You can turn to...
You think there might be some in there, do you?
Eh?
Do you think there might be some in there?
Well, normally, this is all those stuff, old bits of crap that you save, when you've got... when you're just doing repairs and taking things off guitars and stuff that are just worn out, but the ferrules will still be with them. But I've not come across any ferrules. Actually,
This is a good bag here. Look, I'd imagine they were going to be in here, if anywhere.
They're not.
Look at that one there. It's actually it's a bloody bridge, isn't it?
A bass bridge, yeah.
Or tailpiece, whatever.
Tailpiece off.
That's seen better days.
Well,
It's got a bit of crack in it, hasn't it? Or was that just
no, that's just
shit. Style? It's just shit.
I was the one.
Who's this?
They look promising. They might be wider.
Who is this Hofner?
Sorry,
who owns this Hofner? Who is
don't
it?
know. Somebody from.
No.
Somebody from that. No, it isn't.
Spunk. Too
Not wide enough and too big anyway.
too wide, isn't it? Diameter's too much.
Yeah. You were the one. It's a CTS pot there. Look.
What CTS stand
CTS
for?
American.
Oh yeah.
This is what they use in Fenders and Gibson CTS pots.
CTS. Is that the brand?
They're very good. Well, you were the one with all the strain.
Looks like a Les Paul job, doesn't it? But Deluxe, look. Deluxe.
Yeah, Shellers, the good machiners there.
Oh yeah, Shell, yeah.
Yeah, there's a few of them here. Not all of them, though, I don't think. There's probably just some.
Original. It's probably 100 quid on eBay.
I don't think so.
Okay, well 50 quid then.
1, 2.
Yeah, you've only got 5.
3. I haven't even got that many. I've got 4. There's 4.
But you know what? There's 4 people in the world who want one. So that's.
Well, that's where Well, if that doesn't fit, then I haven't got them. I'm going to have to make some.
You can't make them, can you? Bloody hell.
I can make anything. There you go. I've got 3 ferrules there, and they fit every other guitar that needs them. Yep, they're 4. So I've got some. I've been using them over the years for different people's guitars when they lose one.
That's what I'm saying, yeah.
And replace it. It's handy to have all these kind of bits around because things break on old guitars.
Learn how to shoot the damn thing.
You're having way too much fun here, lads.
These machine heads are so big.
Why didn't you work today, by the way?
I was just explaining to Dave I should have been, but my client yesterday decided to do the decent thing and plead guilty.
Yeah,
What, hang himself?
Oh, not
plead
quite
guilty,
that decent guy. So yeah,
Don't fit.
I expected the
That's the ones I was looking for. Hey? I put the neck back on.
Did they not just like
he drops off that table.
if that happens, don't they just like get you in another case straight away? Like surely you must.
Well, yeah, it's difficult because this one should have been a 3-week case. So I was blocked out for 3 weeks.
Oh, you joking? So what are you going to do in 3 weeks? Just play the guitar or something?
No, I'll get
Sign on.
She's getting go to post office.
The general public probably don't know this and they won't like it, but because he pleaded on the first day of trial, I still get 2/3 of the fee, so I'm not that bothered if I don't do it.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah.
Mind you, the life of a barrister, it's not like it's not always a multi-millionaire lifestyle, is it? Let's be
Far
honest.
from it in crime,
yeah.
I'm basically paid by the government, you know that.
I've known. I used to. Still got a lawyer friend, and years ago she had a barrister friend who was actually just going further in debt every year.
Yeah.
She's only about 20 grand a year or something, and working about 10,000 hours a week for some place in Hanley.
Yeah, it's not. That would have been.
In fact, her name was.
Chambers.
Yeah, her name was. She's like Italian, not Sophia. Sophia. Anyway, it wasn't like. Who's that famous guy from London? The barrister who's like just wakes up, he gets £1 million. Michael
Mansfield.
Mansfield, yeah. It's not. It's not Michael Mansfield, is it?
No.
For everybody.
No, it isn't. No, it isn't.
Anyway, how's the Ferrari going? Which one? Which one? What day is it? When's Tuesday? Oh, Tuesday's Ferrari. Yeah. How about your Ferrari, Dave?
Yeah, still in the box. I'm saying. Still like him in the box. He's collectors.
You got a Ferrari, Doug?
Hey?
You got a Ferrari?
Sure has. Lovely car, absolutely lovely.
Yeah.
But we went to railway in it last year or the year before.
Oh yeah, I remember that. Yeah.
Remember, did you see me getting out of it though? In full view of everybody sitting outside because it was a nice summer's day.
Yeah, it was.
Take it all down.
A guy of your stature, you need to just fall out, don't you? Really?
I did do that.
Yeah.
I crawled out basically.
Have you ever seen him get out of Sean's Ferrari? You have to throw a rope around his neck and just drag him out.
What are you trying? Are you taking the piss out of me?
He just has to drive
No.
close so he can hold on the gate post and he just falls off.
See, he's joined in now.
Purely factual, Doug. Don't start getting all sensitive.
I'm not. I don't give a shit.
Yeah. Well, you do when you're making this
really.
guitar. When you're making Mark's guitar, you do give a shit.
No, I don't. I don't give any sort of.
But where is your guitar, Mark?
It's hanging up in the spray booth.
Let's go and have a quick look at it. I saw it have its. I think he calls it a CNI coat.
Yeah, you were here when he did it, weren't you?
Yeah. Oh yeah, it looks quite nice actually.
I think that's really pretty. Yeah.
I quite like it.
That finish has really brought the grain out, hasn't it?
Yeah. It's really nice.
Just a subtle tobacco sunburst on that, I think.
Yeah, you want to make sure you just utilise the beauty of the wood. I mean,
Yeah, absolutely. That's very pretty. Let's go in and play it now.
hey,
Let's go in and play it now.
rubbish. How's that red one playing?
Oh, that's fabulous. It's
Yeah.
really, really good. Yeah.
What
You
kind-
mean the one that he screwed up?
Yeah. How many times did he spray it? About 15 or something? After get fuck up after fuck up after fuck up after fuck up after fuck up.
He sprayed it twice.
As you would say, guilty.
Yeah,
Guilty.
Well, he was. Or was he? See, I'm not sure.
Yeah. Mitigating circumstances.
Yeah, I'm trying to find them.
Yeah. No, just send him down. Yeah. So what
I
are
don't
you?
know what that was all about.
What are you playing though? On the guitar.
Oh, it's all rock.
Oh, yeah.
Rock, blues, that kind of stuff.
Just are you jamming with friends or anything, or are you
Just
in
with
the
my
house?
band.
Oh, your band? Oh, yeah.
The band that I'm in.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we have a few problems, Carl, with lack of commitment from certain departments within the band.
You kidding?
No.
Yeah.
Bass players are a strange breed.
Yeah. How old are these guys? All about your age?
No, they're older than me.
Okay. See, the funny thing is, I find that when musicians get older, you assume when you get to about sort of like, say in the 50s, that they've got all the silliness out of the way, and they're happy just to sort of do something and commit to it because it's fun, because life's too short. But they seem to get worse, and I find that a lot of the wishy-washy people I've known, where they just did what they're told, it sounds terrible, because you can't have a democracy in a band often. And a cover band, it's like, you'd have more chance of setting up a successful multi-billion company than you would of getting four men together to play covers.
Yeah.
They seem to develop attitudes when you get older. So when you get together with your old mates, the drummer says, well, I'm not playing that. And you think, what's he doing? He's always just done what he's told. He's always been very subservient. What's happened to him? Well, he's developed attitude, which is not acceptable.
I'll tell you the story when you're not recording.
Okay, yeah.
Just in case he watches the channel.
Yeah, of course, yeah. And then you got wives, and then the TV. I mean, I've known somebody. I can't gig on Fridays because I stay and watch telly.
6 months.
It's like, okay, that's fine. Interesting. Or I'm sure there's many a wife who will say, well, if you think you're doing that this weekend, you've got to be joking. We've got that front bedroom to paper. That's fact. Yeah. That's when clients knock on your door. We've had a problem with this bass player. His wife was telling him that he could not rehearse. Yeah.
Well, I first met Doug years ago because our bass player had the base of his neck snapped by his wife.
Yeah, it's quite common. Yeah. Wife attack. Yeah. You wouldn't believe how many instruments here. When I can see some of the damage to a guitar, and I'll say wife attack. It's quite common. I've known people have their instruments thrown out the first floor. Look at this crack team of men are doing. Dave is actually he's probably one of the most positive men I know. Dave.
What?
Have you got any positive advice for the viewers today?
No, not really. Soon be Christmas. How's that?
Soon be Christmas. What are you having Christmas Day? Turkey or lamb or?
I'm going to have steak, egg and chips like I always have.
Really?
Yeah.
You did?
Taste it, what are you having, chips?
Steak, egg and chips.
Steak, egg and chips.
Yeah.
Steak, egg and chips?
Yeah.
On Christmas Day?
Yeah. Okay. I don't like Christmas.
What's wrong with it?
Well, you could have fooled me.
What is it about Christmas you don't like, Dave?
I just don't like it. Leave fox hunting alone, ban fucking Christmas. Obviously followed by football.
Football? You don't like football, do you?
I fucking don't it.
Well, you're not a football fan, are you, Doug?
No.
Not really.
I used to be. I used to quite like football, and then all that fighting broke out, didn't it? With everybody fighting all the while.
You've had
Just went off it. I just thought it was ridiculous.
hooligans.
I went off football when I was a kid. They wouldn't let me play.
So you can always draw a line straight back to your childhood with these things.
Yeah, you can. And it was your ball.
Yeah. That was it, my God.
I bet you're the kind of guy who, if you've got like some kind of rifle, you're shooting like children's balls flat in neighbours' gardens.
Take the peeling knife just as quickly.
Yeah. Have you ever jumped over the fence and just ran over and stabbed? Yeah, stab the neighbour's cat and hope that when you throw it the corpse over the fence, it lands on the children's football blade first.
Not just on the children.
I'm going to say this is nothing you've not heard before. I bet you. This is reality. Yeah. You're saying, come on, lads, you've got no imagination.
Cow shit and a chucky tire or something.
Yeah. Mark's thinking if you're going to throw something over the hedge, at least make it a human head.
Yeah.
You know.
Yes. Yeah.
He's only looking for work.
Well, you can always go around creating crime, couldn't you? If you want to get paid to solve it, I suppose.
You could.
Have you ever had like a colleague who's ever been convicted of something serious?
Yes,
I mean, I've known of drug using legal
I
people.
know a very serious man in the law. Who's now in jail.
Oh, there's a few. I wouldn't say that they're my colleagues in so much as I knew them personally, but I know of them.
Yeah. A friend of mine used to have a barrister friend, and apparently he was like cocaine all day long, apparently. Yeah. Well then, Doug, I think I don't know what this video's about. It was going to be something about, well, I got surprised by Marky. We've got such quality of human in here, you know. I suppose, no offence, lads, me included, you know, us lot. We're just like gutter level of human. Then we have this, you know,
Well, I don't.
executive human Mark coming in.
I don't think that's right.
Don't put yourself down.
No,
you are one of the lads. You are one of the lads, but you know, it's always a pleasure to see you here.
Well, that's very kind of you.
Yeah. Right, Doug, I'm going to end this video, then we'll start another one shortly, and then I'll go.
Since when I started being called shortly.
You got any parting words for this video, Dave?
No.